In this video, we will do a brake change on the Swan 150 CBK. We will start by removing the knob that brings the shaft up and down using a Phillips screwdriver. We will continue to remove all the other smaller screws that attaches the plastic cover to the frame. You do not need to remove the screws that attaches the reset switch. Once all the screws are removed, you simply lift the cover up and let it sit on the side of the machine so it doesn't get in the way. We will now use a 13mm wrench to loosen up the screws first, otherwise you may strip the screws. We will now remove the 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. We can now remove the worm gear off the machine. Remove the brake adjustment by turning it counterclockwise with a flathead screwdriver. Once that is removed, you can simply push out the brake spring and brakes. Replace either or both of the components at this time. Make sure the brakes is facing the right direction. We can now put the brake adjustment screw back on. Do not over-tighten the brakes just yet. Turn about 5 to 6 full turns. Reinstall the worm gear. Retighten the 2 bolts. Tighten up the brakes by turning 3 full turns to start if it's a new brake shoe. Reinstall the top cover and all the Phillips screws. And lastly, the handle knob. Run a test to see if it shaves properly and adjust the brakes as needed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.